Smile. Volume. Volume. Boom. Big. Number 10. Now, 1, 2, cha-cha, go. Hoppa. Go. To the line. To the line. Hey. Hey. Boom. Hey. Whoa.
Let's kind of again. Part one. Part one is the chorus part. So repeat all the time. Start. Mine. Right and 1, 2, 3. Left 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 and 1, 3. Step, brush, cha cha cha. 2 step, edge and cross. 2, 3. First time. Second time, go in. Right, left, and left. Cross, open, cross, open, cross. Then, and continue with the same of the first time. Cha, cha, cha. 2 step, step, and cross. 2, 3. Now, we have first transition is like cha, cha, cha. Left, cha, cha, then out. Continue out. 1, 2, left, then to the center, invite each other inside, step behind, cha cha cha, step behind, cha cha, face outside. We're going right, left, step, 1, up, cross inside, cha cha cha, cross outside, cross, turn back, 1, 2, 3, left, right, close. Okay, transition. The Lord and cha cha cha. Cross. Cha then go outside and right slow. 1, 2, left turn in. Right shoulder to the center. Step behind. Cha cha cha. Left. Go out. Right, left, back. Switch in. Right and cha cha cha. Left and cha cha. Cross and back. Then 2, straight, 1, 2, go. And now we start the dance from beginning and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Walk and cha cha cha. Down, down, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Step, cha cha cha. Half there, step, touch in 1, 2, 3. Second position now. Again, cha cha in. But we continue different. And cha-cha cross in, cha-cha cross out, and from here, from the cross, we are going on left. We make turn, double turn, cha-cha on the line, go in, cha-cha, behind, yamanai, go out, stay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here the end of the dance. We're going to the right side and right, left, right, left, right, left. The twist to the right. Okay, let's make the last part. From the chorus, second part. Cha-cha in, cha-cha and chorus, cha-cha. Now, number 10, and day 1, and day 2, and cha-cha-cha inside. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Come on, go out. 1, go to the line, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and beginning to dance. 1, faster with the beat, and